To simplify 70 over 80, we need to look for the common factors between the top number, the numerator, and the bottom number, the denominator. First, let's list out the factors for each. For 70, the factors are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35, and 70. For 80, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40, and 80. So the largest common factor between 70 and 80 is 10. This means we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 10 to simplify the fraction. Dividing the numerator 70 by 10 gives us 7. Dividing the denominator 80 by 10 gives us 8. So after dividing, the simplified fraction is 7 over 8. And we know that 7 over 8 is in its simplest form, because the only common factor between 7 and 8 is 1. And when 1 is the largest common factor, we know that our fraction has been simplified.